Did you know that you can connect Zotero in Paperguide? If you didn't know that, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so. So all you have to do once you're inside your Paperguide AI account, click your profile on the lower left hand side, then click on settings. Here you want to click on integrations, then here you have Zotero. Simply click on connect and you will see that it takes you over to Zotero website. Now if you don't have an account, simply register for free or log in with your username or email, enter your password and log in. Now once you sign in, it's going to take you into Zotero and you will see that you have connection to Zotero here within your Paperguide account. And now you can easily go ahead and import any document that you may have or papers directly from Zotero within Paperguide AI. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.